Today we are making basic rempah. So these are the overall ingredients that we are going to make for today. So we first start off with 50 grams of dry chili, 100 grams of garlic, and 8 pieces of raw karas called candle nut, and 500 grams of onion, and all these various ingredients that are written in the note below. As well as belacan, 30 grams of belacan. Added in a little bit of oil into the blender. What oil do you use?
I use sunflower oil.
Sunflower oil.
So we add in the onion first.
So we add in the onion first. After that we put the garlic.
Half of the ingredient go in first. Because one time cannot finish like this.
Okay, so we add in half of the ingredients first. Because the grinder cannot fit everything. Add half of the chili in. Half bakaras.
Okay. Okay, we can start writing. This one can cook curry, can cook asam pedas, can cook anything.
Even for the petai, right?
Petai also can.
Yeah, but
This
this is the basic rempah.
This is basic rempah.
Round.
Wait a second. Normally I make 1 kg today. Today is 500 grams.
For the purpose of video. Is it because you want to make lesser today?
Yeah, make lesser. Yeah.
Because you have a lot of...
Yeah, if you do more, then it takes
Rempah.
longer time to cook.
I see.
Okay.
The belacan haven't added
Belacan,
yet.
we need to fry the belacan. You don't add in. You want to fry. Then it's a paste. After grinding is like that.
Yep.
Can add water also, but later you will, if you add water, it will splash a lot more. So that I think add oil is better. Later you don't really add so much. Okay. Later you will see the oil coming out.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit oil more. Oh, for me, because just now I add already. You don't need to be too oily. This one is take time to fry until the oil come out. Then
Fry on medium heat.
Yeah, fry on medium heat. Not be high. The oil is not so easy to fry, it won't stick. Some people will add a lot of oil. For me, I add just nice.
I see. So it's like
Yeah,
more
I don't want
fluffy, yeah?
Yeah.
The rempah is more
Yeah.
fluffy now after some hours of cooking. Not hours, a few minutes. Like.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes of cooking. It's about there. After you smell the smell come out very nice, then it should be about ready. So that you too much oil, you will need to throw away. This wasted oil. If I don't use then you throw away. So I just add in just enough, but it's more difficult to fry. If you add a lot of oil, then easier to fry.
Yeah, you gotta keep turning it, right? You gotta keep.
You need to keep on stirring.
Yeah, if not, it will stick to the
Yeah,
wok.
correct. If you got a lot of oil, then easy.
Yeah, but we don't want to put in so much oil, so we have to use more energy to stir the rempah. It's continuous stirring for 20 minutes, you know.
It's 20 minutes.
So it's
1 kg only.
good
No?
exercise for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
20 to 25 minutes.
Need to switch off the fire and rest it.
Yeah. Let it rest.
Oh,
Let it rest and the oil will come out. Because it's dry already, all the ingredients very dry.
so switch off the fire.
Oh, fire.
So now we have let it rest, and eventually we will keep it in plastic containers and put inside the freezer. And it can keep for a very, very long time.